Hello and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I'm pleased to offer this 2018 Hyundai KONA 1 litre T-GDi Blue Premium SE petrol in metallic orange with contrasting metallic grey roof and wing mirrors. It has done 54,000 miles since new and comes with service history. Features include a full leather interior with both heated and cooling front seats, a heated steering wheel, satellite navigation, front and rear parking sensors with rear reversing camera and Bluetooth connectivity. For more information or to arrange test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.